Two laptops, one battle, the world's first foldable PC from Huawei versus Apple's lightest MacBook yet with the new M4 chip. Both promise to change the way you work, but which one actually deserves your money? Let's find out. This thing is basically a transformer. Folded, it's a 13-inch laptop. Unfold it and boom, you're staring at an 18-inch OLED display. Ultra premium, but also ultra don't drop me. It's a head-turner for sure. Apple didn't reinvent the wheel here, but they polished it until it shines. Still thin, still light, still aluminum perfection. No folding gimmicks, just a tried and tested design that doesn't scream fragile every time you open it. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors with Huawei's own Harmony OS 5. Smooth for multitasking, productivity, and media. But Windows compatibility is limited. Plus, heat management in such a slim, foldable body is still a question mark. Apple's M4 chip is basically a Ferrari in a laptop. Super fast, crazy efficient, and dead silent because no fan. You'll crush video editing, coding, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. 18 inches of OLED glory. Perfect for creatives, multitaskers, or people who just like a massive canvas. The Fold is visible but less distracting than early foldable phones. Liquid Retina IPS. Bright, sharp, color accurate. It's smaller at 13 or 15 inches, but honestly, it's enough for most users. And no crease in the middle. Big screen, big drain. Expect okay battery life, but don't dream of all-day power unless you carry the charger. Battery life king. 16 to 18 hours on a single charge. Forget the charger at home and you're still good. Luxury pricing. Think flagship smartphone plus laptop combined. It's not mainstream yet, and availability is limited depending on where you live. Still expensive, but much more accessible. And Apple's global support means repairs, accessories, and updates are always there. So here's the verdict. Get the Matebook Fold if you're an early adopter who loves futuristic tech, needs a huge screen for multitasking or design work, and doesn't mind babying your device. Get the MacBook Air M4 if you want a reliable, efficient, everyday laptop that just works, lasts all day, and holds its resale value. Basically, for 90% of people, this is the smarter buy. Foldable laptop or Apple Classic? Which side are you on? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real no BS tech.